Ça commence?
Bah, je crois. Dude, look at my face, c'est grave.
C'est normal.
Mais
C'est
j'ai les
toujours comme
cheveux
ça.
dégueulasses.
Always like that. Take one. Cut number one. Hello, everybody. Welcome to Lauren's Wondrous World on YouTube. Make sure to follow her on Instagram.
The cringe. Okay, now
So,
what?
okay, I'm gonna introduce myself. My name is Nathan, aka Kelly,
Okay, Dumbo.
aka. I'm not dumb. Anyway, so what are we doing today, Lauren? What are you doing?
So there's this tag on YouTube called like boyfriend does my makeup, but like, okay, please explain. Dude, I don't know how to speak.
What? This is your channel.
I
This is your channel.
I
You
don't know.
should.
I don't know how to speak. I cannot speak.
This is your channel. You should be able to introduce yourself and do whatever the freak you want. Okay. Wait. By the way, we're drinking beer to make this a little bit more interesting for us. So, okay.
Are we
Well,
gonna have
cheers.
any content?
Can we have a cheers, please? Combe.
Okay, so the thing is, this dude is from the military. No, from the military. No, how do I say it?
I am from the military. Yes, I am in the military.
This dude is in the military, so he knows how to do makeup. So we're gonna do the boyfriend does my makeup tag, but military edition. What?
What?
Can you stop
Keep
judging
going. I'm not judging you. I'm just excited. I'm very excited to do this little edition of the video. It's a very special edition of Lauren's Wondrous World on YouTube. So make sure to subscribe, follow, and put on that notification sound.
Oh yes!
So-
Yes! I wanna smack you. No.
Okay, so what are we gonna do? Military edition. What are we exactly gonna do?
So he gave me this shit, which is camo 2 color stick, which is like makeup apparently.
I prefer this.
Oh, you get like perfect.
It's a stick. It's like a little chapstick, pretty much. It's a big chapstick that has green on the half and the brown on the other half.
Wow.
So what you do is you just like I prefer this because like normally camouflages they come in like tubes or maybe like little what do you call it, like pallets. Okay. This you can just put in your pocket. It's very concealable. It's no seriously like you can just keep it in your pocket. The essential is the green. But the green is pretty much put it all over your face. And the brown you kind of get a bit artsy and draw some lines on it, whatever you want to do. So it's your camouflage, it's your face, it's your life. Do whatever the fuck you
And
want.
then we have cream camouflage military.
It's
In green, black, and
it's from
brown.
OPEX. OPEX means
'Cause everybody
Operation
wants to buy it, right?
Operation Exterior. Opération Extérieure. In this edition,
You
what
look
we're gonna
like
do.
Shit. Oh, you could have told me I look like shit.
It's fine. You look always beautiful, baby.
Que baratineur.
I'm gonna put camouflage on my girlfriend. Wait.
Dude, it says
Appliqué.
waterproof, sweatproof. Oh, I'm gonna keep this
Of
all my
course,
life.
of course. If you're on like missions, if you're like going on like spy missions, going to like the Taliban headquarters or something, and you're sweating your ass off, and you gotta go swim or something, you don't want it to come off on you. Do you? Does it?
What?
Does it? First one, I guess we can start with the stick, and then I kind of just adapt to the situation.
I know you're supposed to look here, not here.
Oh, sorry. Okay, that's the screen. That's the screen. This is the lens. Okay, I
Yeah.
gotta look at this. I gotta look at the lens. All right, cool. So you want to start?
Oh, dude, I wish I was drunk. Okay.
I'm used to like doing this YouTube kind of shit.
You think
right?
I am? I did like 3
Well,
videos and
get
10
3
people watched, and it was my friends.
Including me.
Yeah.
You start out with the green. So you put the green all over your face. If you want to be very extensive and you want to like do it boule de feu, you have to put it around inside your ears,
No, you don't do that.
behind your ears,
Don't.
neck, like all around the neck right here, and even the back of your hands. But I'm not gonna do that today because my girlfriend is very precious and she's beautiful and she doesn't deserve to be ramassed. So
I regret everything. Ow.
Sorry. Okay, so you
Don't
see
you
how?
blend it?
No, it's a stick. It's a stick. With the stick, you can. I'm sorry. Did it hurt?
No, I'll put.
Sorry, baby. So we have to try to just try to cover up all the white spots from her face.
My whole face is white.
Exactly. So
And red.
what we're doing is just taking off. Oh, sorry, that's brown. Not good. Okay.
No, I'm more thinking. By the way, I have acne-prone skin, so I might die.
But our camouflage product, our camouflage cream is very good for acne. So.
No, it's not.
It's in it, so that's
Is
it's good for the skin. Can you see that? Looks great, right? Okay, so now now that we have done maybe 40% of her face, we're gonna continue with the cream, because the cream, well, it's a bit of a pain in the ass, but honestly it works better. Like the camouflage stick is easier to use, but
Am I gonna be able to take this off? Yes or no?
with soap, yes, you'll have to wash your face
Why
about
is
4
soap
times.
in
Okay, here's a little story
And
time.
maybe we'll
while
have my greasy hair.
while she's going to fix her greasy hair, this one time, you know, I have big pores, okay, like, but I got pretty bad skin actually. Like as a kid in teenage years, I had pretty bad acne and stuff like that. Yeah, I got big pores, and I went to Terán, which is in English it's field. I was in the fields for about 3 weeks, and we had to pretty much put our camouflage on every other day, pretty much. Like we will go out in the field, sleep for a night, come back, rest for a day, and then, you know, like that in a pattern, you know. So like I had like about 2 sets of these. I would put it on every other day, and I would have like the camouflage on my face, put it all green, lather it all up with green, and then put some black and brown on it. And then like after about a week and a half, or like 2 weeks or so, I tried to take off everything, but then everything was just kind of like permanent inside my pores, you know? The camouflage was inside my pores.
You're telling me that now.
And yeah, it was horrible.
You're such a mofo.
Wash my face like 4 times with some body wash, of course. Yeah, she
He uses body wash for like his face. Drives me.
I use body wash for everything. If you have big pores, I do not recommend this, because it will stay inside your pores for a long time.
I have big pores.
Okay, all right, here you go.
I have the biggest of all pores. You having fun?
Oh yeah.
You know what? Usually when I put like makeup, even though it's like thick and stuff,
Sorry.
that was my eye.
I'm sorry.
Like I don't actually feel it like you do, you know? But this, I can feel like I have like a layer of cement on my face.
Wait, what did you say?
Cement?
Cement.
Not
cement.
I don't speak English.
You freaking Frenchies. You freaking French people don't know how to speak English, man. I'm sorry.
Because you can.
But then, like, in your defense, I don't know how to speak French either, so.
True. On my mouth because I don't want to eat it.
Oh, I got some on your lips, sorry.
Dude, I'm so ugly. I feel like.
You look like Shrek. You look like Fiona.
You know what? I feel like it kind of hides my skin, so it's not that bad.
Well, honestly, you would put
this is full coverage.
Oh, do you have? Sorry. If you really want to go hardcore, you would put about 3 times the layer of this right here. But this is, you know, just for educational purposes. I would I'll just put on
if any of you like want to join the military, then there you go. Yeah. You know how to put makeup now.
What was that?
Kind of feels like a clay mask. You're supposed to take it off after like 10 minutes.
Yeah.
That's the difference.
Which looks like Shrek right now, but
I'm beautiful.
I mean, it depends on the terrain you are in. If you're in like if you are in France, for example, France is a very it's a very foresty area. Yeah, there's a lot of green and stuff like that, and grass, so that's why you put green on all over the face. Of course, if you're doing night operations, you'll put black all over your face. And now what we're gonna do is we're gonna use the black. Okay.
Because I'm too white.
Oh shit. Okay. All right. So this is the black. Now what I'm gonna do is just make some stripes.
Do it like artsy, not just like zebra stripes. Like your uniform.
Oh, Oh, you want it like that?
Bah oui.
Okay.
Moi, je veux un truc cool.
I can do that for you.
Okay, you're definitely gonna get the Uber Eats. You're going downstairs. I can't.
And now we're gonna do some brown to make it nice and fancy.
I can feel like I have like a clay mask that will never dry.
Did you ever use the brown?
Yeah, I used it in my hand and then it just never came out. It's
Okay,
like
now here's the
very...
brown.
A little goes a long way. But yeah, if any of you know, like, I'm pretty sure, because like there's 10 subscribers. But if any of you know the feeling of a clay mask when you just put it on and it's like still wet, this is what it feels like. It's not great. Dude, you have to keep this on for 24 hours.
Okay.
You can't even put aloe on your face. How do you keep this?
Well, you just suck it up for about 10 minutes and voila. Well, of course, when we put camouflage on, what we do is get a whole bunch of green on our hands, just go psst, and then we just rub it all together and just go bam. And then with the blacks, what you do is you put blacks on the pinky, you put a black on the pinky, middle, and thumb, and then the browns on your index and your ring finger. And what you do is just go like this.
If I go through all this shit and no one watches, I'm gonna cry.
Okay.
Why is it cheap?
Look.
But this is only stripes, it's not very fancy.
What do you mean? What do you want me to do? This is how you do it. Stripes.
Oh boy, it's not fancy.
You look so ugly.
He's the worst!
Well, look in the camera. Oh my god.
That's a lot of green.
You want some uniform patterns?
Oh,
Is that what you? Is this what you want? Is this what you want? Close your eyes. Oh, this is great. This just looks like Shrek just shat on your face.
This is fucking great.
So.
You want popo?
No, absolutely not. Absolutely not.
Rejection.
This is the aftermath. So tell me how beautiful you look.
Wait, do you want a close up? I'll give you a close
Okay,
up.
there we go. We'll do some close up.
Oh shit. Oh shit.
누구세요?
Don't keep it.
Who are you?
I feel like this is what inside an ass.
I
what it looks like.
really can't tell. Can you guys see her?
Invisible.
Voila.
I love putting on like lotions and all that shit. Like, I love skincare and stuff, but this is pretty horrible. Even to me, I'm kind of like cringing.
Thank you for featuring me in your video.
If you want me to do his makeup next time, which is not military, please let me know in the comments. All like 20 of you, let me know in the comments.
Okay, I mean,
You'll do it.
I've had fun with your face, but I'll let you put some
Dude, this
makeup
is
on my face.
literally clay. Like it's like,
Is it getting hard?
yes, it's like it pulls, you know. Did you pango?
Mhm.
Oh, vite.
How about you wash your face and then we show them like the aftermath of
Oh, like if it goes
like if
away.
it goes inside your pores and stuff like that.
Makeup remover, yay. Reasons. Oh no, my hair is stuck to it.
Oh my goodness, let me see the other side. Oh my goodness.
Oh.
Princess Fiona.
It is in my pores, huh?
La Roche Posay.
I'm gonna use this little device to help me.
It's a little vibrator.
And I'm clean. Kind of. Hope so. Check the pores.
Wow, your skin is so smooth now.
Cause I used a little vibrator thing.
But yeah. Now she's very clean. She had to use like one of those like the little three little cotton pads to wipe off her face. Both sides, by the way.
Yeah. It was pretty bad. So yeah, if you want me to do his makeup, yes, I really want to do it. Oh, dude, I would do so good. Oh, you'd be beautiful. Okay.
I don't know. Well, it depends on the people of the viewers. If there's not enough likes, if there's
you guys are 25, okay? I want at least 10 positive responses. If there's more than 10 positive responses, then we'll do it. Dude.
How's that sound?
The bar is like,
okay,
you know, other YouTubers are like, ooh, if I get 100,000 likes, then I'll do this. And I'm like, if I get 10 comments saying I'll do it.
Yeah, but no. Come on, guys.
So you really want to do it?
No, not really.
Sure, that's a good thing.
Okay. Well, guys, thank you for watching our little video, our special edition with Lauren's Wondrous World and Nathan. The 100 views are just gonna be us, just me and you, just like 50.
It's just me refreshing the page, to see like if it went up, and every time it adds a little. This is pretty much what happened on like every other video of mine. All the views are me, him, and maybe like 2 friends.
Come. And if you want to see Lauren doing some makeup on my face, even though I hate it, I'll probably die of cringe.
Oh, he will die.
I'll probably die like.
I would do the whole shebang, like skincare, primer.
No. Guys, unless you guys like, subscribe, and leave a comment, and the notification button, then we will do it. Alright, anyway, bye bye. Love you guys.